Yo, yo, yo. Whew. God damn. Long time no see, boys. What's going doing? Welcome back. Welcome back to the stream. Just had to do a quick one before Christmas, before I leave for good. But you know, just wanted to say hi. I missed y'all, guys, for real. So I'd come by, say hi, maybe take a trade. You know, old-fashioned way. Uh, one sec. Yo, give me 1 sec, chat. Yo, 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 yo. It's crack-a-lackin'. What's good, bro? What's up, Reese? How you doing, boys? How y'all feeling? Christmas soon or tomorrow? Congratulations. to anybody who celebrate. What's up, chump? Look what the motherfucking cat dragged in. Hey, listen, I know I've been streaming for a while, but to be fair with y'all, there has been a lot of shit. There's been a lot of shit going on. Holidays, people buying presents. You know, sometimes everybody needs a break. Everybody's taking a break now. Y'all probably got a break from work. Price action has been pretty good. Last week, we didn't take a single loss in the VIP. The price action has been pretty good, to be fair. I can't actually sit here and make excuses because of price action. So my excuse is that everybody else is on vacation or is on holiday. So I was like, you know what? Let me just take a quick little break. I had to go buy some presents. I was working on an AI. Let's see. Hold on. There we go. All right, now we're rolling. Damn. I'm about to do an analysis. Shit, chat. Shit's scary, man. I'm not supposed to do a fucking analysis. Zoom? Oh yeah, I'm sorry to Zoom. My bad. Boom. Boom, boom. Boom, boom. Alright, Zoom link is sent. Alrighty, boys. Alright, shall we get into the gold analysis? What has gold been doing lately? I've been trading it, but I haven't really looked or made a thorough analysis. I've just been taking the plays. AU and GU got comps. Ooh, yeah. AU did have a nice comp here. That was a good one. We missed that one, unfortunately. When was this? This happened 20 minutes ago. Yeah, we missed this one, unfortunately. It was a comp. You could have got a nice 1-to-1 on this one. I think you would have had your stop loss above here, right? This would have been an easy 1-to-1 trade. Good shit. UJ, wow, didn't tap there. GU, calm too late to get in now. Also does have an imbalance above on the 30-minute time frame and the 1 hour. Yo, insane Christmas party. Thank you, man. Dude, we've been having this for some time now. All right, we've been preparing for Christmas. Yeah, the GU I would say is invalid. Do you have this imbalance above on GU that I don't want to touch? The AUD USD one is very valid. It's a great comp play. Because you had really small stops, right? The R was really good on this one. Stops would have been just above here. And since stops was above here, you could have had a very small TP and you would have hit full TP by now. So W to anybody who took this. See what gold is saying. 5-minute broke structure. Let me redraw some zones here, chat. Let me redraw some support and resistance. This was a trade from VIP on Friday, I think. Do we have any comps on gold? Oh! Zero drawdown comp play on gold. Right here, chat. If anybody took that, congrats. Beautiful comp play right here. That was at 7 a.m. So I don't know if I was not awake at 7 a.m. But if anybody was, congrats. Just fire. You had this, but this is a hard one to take because it is against the trend. But again, you could say, oh, we're just starting to form some bearish movement. But yeah, I'll probably not take this one. Oh, you did have the wick fill though. Did have the wick fill with you. So who knows? Maybe I would have taken it. Maybe I would have taken it if this one was a no wick candle as well. If this candle afterwards didn't have this bottom wick first and made the top wick first, then I probably would have taken this, even though it's against the trend, because then we would have been a no wick play and a comp play at the same time. So yeah. Other than that, currently we do have pretty hefty push down on the 30-minute, which I do believe needs to be met with a sort of retracement. So you had this push down on the 30, and I'm expecting a retracement to like 22 at least before coming back down again. If you guys look, the 4-hour has... What does the 4-hour have, chat? The 4-hour has a wick to fill. What is a wick? Wick is a range. So we do have a wick to fill to the downside right here. After this 4-hour closes in 7 minutes, you're going to see a wick fill, and then you'll probably see just a flip back up. But you will see if the 4-hour even closes below 20.8. If 4-hour closes below 20.8, then you'll see a wick fill down. And we can potentially grab the no wick play here on the 30 and the 1-hour and the 4-hour if we get it. So yeah, I guess we'll just wait for the 4-hour. As for the lower time frames, you are switching to a bullish structure on the lower time frames. You have kind of this rounded bottom right here, where you had a very steep push down, and then you have a rounded bottom which was created, starting to form structure, closing above most recent lower highs, etc. So the 5-minute is looking quite bullish, which again, we're looking for a lower time frame reversal for a higher time frame continuation. We know that the higher time frames is currently bearish. What's the daily saying? Yeah, daily is bearish. Not a lot of movement on the daily. But the daily is bearish currently. You did tap into this. Yeah, the daily is looking real bearish, chat. I'm gonna go lie. Daily is looking real bearish, especially after this wick lick right here. Tap right into that previous wick right there. Just fill that imbalance. Grab liquidity above the recent highs and then push down. I guess that was Asia highs grabbing liquidity. Or it was London. It was London taking out Asia highs and then grabbing liquidity just to push down. So I'm expecting bearish movement here, chat. Expecting bearish movement. So I'm gonna wait for the 5-minute to come up. Wait for the 5-minute to come up, and then we'll look for a break of structure, a trend shift, and then we'll try to get in on a top wick somewhere to get that 4-hour wick fill and that daily push down after that top wick that it made. Because again, the daily is in a downtrend, chat. Daily is in a downtrend, and you also made a beautiful double top on the daily right here. Beautiful double top. It's looking quite fucking bearish to me on the higher time frames. But again, do have this imbalance that you're probably looking to fill up to around 20, maybe not 25, let's say 20. Let me see here. Yeah, around 23. Around 23, I'd say. Should see us come up to around 23 before heading down. Very low volume here. Very fucking low volume. As you guys see, we are moving 5 pips at a time. So yeah, maybe I shouldn't have streamed today. No, I'm kidding. Nah, boys. We'll see if we can catch something. Again. Also, we have the fundamental factors, right? It's Christmas. It's the day before Christmas. The U.S. economy should be booming right now. People are buying presents. The economy is very stimulated. So the dollar is obviously going to push up. The dollar is obviously going to push up because of the economy. Therefore, gold inevitably will have its pushes up. So we'll focus on that. Before Christmas, we should together see the Donvo apology video. Yeah, I'll react to the Donvo apology video in a bit. Let me see. Let me draw some zones here. Oh, we got the 4 hour closing in 2 minutes here, chat. So expect a wick fill on the 4 hour. Again, and the wick fill could be just... The wick fill on the 5 could look something like this. Right? So the wick fill on the 5 could be just a 50% wick fill on the 4 hour. And it'll be a 5 retest of the trend line. Thank you, bud. You know how to entertain. Well, I like to believe so. Let's go, boys. Big hold buys. Why would you want to take buys? I mean, if you want to take a scalp buy, sure. If you want to take a scalp buy after this retest on the 5, sure. But the gold is bearish on all time frames, so I wouldn't really want to take... On the higher time frames, gold is very bearish. Like, the sentiment is bearish. So I would look for sells. I'd wait for price to come up and look for sells at a good price. Because right now you just want to see gold being at a... You want to almost see gold being very overbought. That's a retest on the 15 and the 5. Four-hour create a lower high. Again, the 4-hour looks very bearish. You do have kind of clean traffic. You do have clean traffic on the 4-hour. All the way down here. So you do have conflicting time frames. But we'll focus on the lower time frames for now. Because again, the 4-hour can come up, come down, come up, come down. You have 4 hours. The lower time frames are a little more predictable in the way we trade, because again, we're scalpers. But at least I think we'll see this 4-hour wick fill, which will be the 5-minute retest. Do you know Tom Trades? Yes, I know what that is. By the way, did y'all watch the new video, chat? Y'all watch my new YouTube video? On where I explain decision areas and asset correlation. This one. Today's video, I will show you guys exactly. People saying I look Asian. I don't know what the fuck. Go watch it. Fire video. Alright, that's the 4-hour open, chat. 4-hour open, 50-minute retest, 5-minute retest. Let's see. Do we need a bigger bottom wick on the 4-hour, though? Do we need a bigger bottom wick on the 4-hour, which I'm expecting is going to happen. What up? What indicator do you use? The yellow arrow on your chart. X Ghost no wick candles. If you subscribe to my newsletter, you would have known. So I suggest everybody subscribe to the newsletter. Link in bio for that. You'll get crazy sauce there, some stories, personal anecdotes. Hold on, the music is way too loud. Here we go. How's the challenge coming along? Still minus 2% from November. Haven't really traded that much in December. But from November, the challenge is still down 2%. But with 2025's price action, I think it'll be a breeze. I think we'll come back easily. Bro, it's the hotel music. I know. I can't find my fucking old playlist. Alright. Price action was fine until I started streaming. Like, no cap chat. Price action was pretty decent before I started streaming. Is that on TradingView? Yes, that's on TradingView, the indicator. But yeah, chat, if I have been working with a developer to build an AI or EA, but the issue is nobody wants to do the fucking work. Everybody's so damn lazy, man. So yeah, still in the works. They're excited at first, and then when they realize that there are a lot of parameters, they're like, "Oh, I don't know if I can do that." So yeah. You're from Sweden, yes. What is the indicator for the complay? It's not for the complay. It's for Nova candles, but it's X Ghost wickless candles. Indian dev can make it. I'd rather someone from a first world country make it. Less likely to scam me. Unless literally that's not a joke. Like I'm not trying to be funny. We still need to have a call, Bard. I was down, but nobody said anything in the chat. Oh yeah. Yeah, it's kind of, the thing is, it's kind of a rough time because it's holidays right now. It's Christmas. Everybody's so busy, but I have some time. I can make some time for it. We can have the call, definitely. Let's see. Tomorrow's Christmas. Tomorrow's no-go. Maybe somewhere in the middle between Christmas and New Year's. Maybe since you don't really want to stream, you're not looking for positions, and the charts are blurred to your mind, you don't love us anymore, Bard. That's not true, Jose. That's not true in the slightest. Complete bullshit. In January, we're all gonna be so locked in. The fuck, bro. Yeah, dude. 2025, chat. It's gonna be a different year. You're gonna see a new me, new QTC. You have some great things planned for y'all. Like, obviously, it's a little slow right now because, again, it's the holidays. But once 2025 kicks in and everything's done, like New Year's, Christmas, all that, dude, we're gonna be so fucking locked in. Y'all don't even know, man. Bro, how much you willing to pay though for the bot? However much they want. Like, I could pay a few K. For sure. A couple K. Taking a break from trading right now because my psychology got messed up, as I'm sure you saw. So not trading till January. I'm feeling a lot better, so feeling good about 25. Yeah, man, that's, dude, great assessment. Great decision to take a break. It's one of the best things you could do, especially now during this time. Take a break, man. Chill with the family. Have some fun, and then lock back in. The market will be here. Alright, cool. I believe in you. Just don't pull a Don. I'd never pull a fucking Don, man. Should we react to his video, chat? Do you want me to react to his video? Yes, please. All right, let's react to his video, chat. Let's see how I can do this. Okay, so
Alright, chat. So it's been a long time since we last spoke. I think the last time we spoke was July 31st. That was like my last stream I've had. And that was the last time that I spoke to you guys. And there's a lot of talk about your chat. A lot of things has happened since. I just want to clear things up. So the number one thing that has probably been asked was what happened with the map. Now, there's been a lot of rumors going around, but I'm just gonna try to explain everything from my end as best as I can. So the MAM, a little background story with the MAM was, the MAM was something that I've decided to do in the end of 2023 or sometime in 2023. I decided to start a MAM. We didn't start it until the first week of July. And part of the MAM obviously is to trade investors' funds, right? That's kind of what the MAM is all about. But part of it was for me to kind of open the doors up in the industry to kind of like show more transparency. So the MAM started on the first week of July.
it was for you to make more money, bro. Stop,
honestly,
like, come on.
We didn't have a losing day until the 29th of August. So for the first month and then majority
That's
of the second month,
an issue.
there was no losses.
That's an issue. That's an issue. How does nobody think that's an issue? Is everybody just retarded? Is everybody just like, oh, he hasn't lost in 1.5 months? Is everybody just, oh, he's so good? No. No. That's not what not losing in a month means. Not losing in a 1 month and a half means exactly high win rate, huge losses. That's what it means. It doesn't mean he's good. It doesn't mean, oh my god, he's fucking insane. No. No. That's a red flag. If I have a map, if I'm connected to somebody's map and he doesn't lose in a month and a half, I'd take all my money out. I'd be like, all right, there's a bomb coming. Something big is gonna happen. All right, that's a red flag.
So that's when things kind of went downhill for the MAM a little bit. Now I'm not gonna say downhill. I'm gonna say more of a pullback.
What? No, this guy can't be real. Chad, this guy can't be real. No, he can't. Like, this guy is so delusional, Chad. What up? Like, people have, his ego is so inflated.
Downhill for the MAM a little bit. Now I'm not gonna say downhill. I'm gonna say more of a pullback.
Pullback? Pullback.
Because we're still going. But a lot of things that I realized, as much as I've traded my personal funds for the last...
How can you buy an R8 with a strategy? Bro. Come on now. Relax.
That's like 4 years almost, 4 to 5 years, right?
He made so much money from his courses and signals.
4 years almost, 4 to 5 years.
And deal
right?
with broker.
As much as I thought I was ready for the MAM, there were still things that I had to learn about the MAM. But I had to learn it by
about yourself, not about the MAM. Things you had to learn about yourself.
Trading the MAM. Things that
it's
I
the
had
wrong
to
terminology.
learn about the MAM. But I had to learn it by trading the MAM. And by the things that that I had to learn was just like things I had to adjust to, such as like, one, I'm trading investors' funds. Like that didn't really hit me until I actually traded the MAM. And two, getting used to the idea that my balance would increase and decrease on a daily on the MAM, right? Because people are withdrawing, people are depositing every day, so that number changes, which means I had to adjust my lot size per day. And if you guys been watching me for the last like 3-4 years, right, you know that I only change my lot size once a year. So that was something like
he has
completely
to change his
new to me,
lot size,
but
chat.
I don't
Y'all didn't think about that? That's why he took 500 million trades in one day. He had to change his lot size.
think
Oh, I
there
get
was
it now.
any other way for me to learn and get used to it unless I actually started trading the MAM. I had to start at some point, right? Trading wise, I'll say for the most part, nothing has changed. I still trade the same way. Like those were the things that affected me trading the MAM, which led to whenever I did have losing days, it will be a different feeling compared to the feeling that I was used to when I lost my own personal funds. Or you lose your own personal funds, like, okay, cool, whatever. My personal funds, even though I was streaming, you know, like there was always like that, those many more eyes on me, right? But with the MAM, even though like there's no eyes on me, it was just still like, it was still a little different because it's just knowing that like there's people's funds in here, right? So for me, like, that's kind of why like that's probably why like I was probably a bit more emotional whenever I did have losing days. And it's crazy because like we didn't lose for the first 2 months, so like there was no like small losing days, like nothing. It was just like went from winning straight to obviously a losing day.
That's what happens, Don. That's psychology, my guy. That's psychology. That's why high win rate, low RR rarely works. Rarely works. That's why win rate is important. No, RR is important. Not because of the reasons people say it's important. People just have, you know, like there's this. You know, you guys know this curve. You guys know this curve, right? The bell curve, right? This is intelligence, trading intelligence, right? Right here, you have the fucking retards drooling. Right here, you have the fucking retards drooling, right? And they're like, RR is important. Here you have RR people. RR is important because ICT says so. Oh my god, 1 to 18 RR. Oh my god, you know, these are those kinds of people, right? And then here you have like, you know, RR doesn't really matter. RR is strictly tied to win rate. So as long as you're profitable, RR does not matter. That's these guys. You know, the normal intelligent people. Then you have intelligent people here who also agree with the retards, but just in a different way. They also believe RR is important, but not because of the reasons they think RR is important. They know RR is important because in the long term, the way it affects your psychology. The reason Donvo lost all his money is because if you don't lose for 2 months, you forget the feeling of losing. You have to be constantly interacting with the feeling of losing. That feeling needs to be there every day for you to get used to it. For you to be like, oh, it's not a big deal. But when you don't lose for 2 months, and then you take one loss, that loss will feel like a bullet. Because your body has become accustomed to just winning all the time. That's what happened to Don Vo. And that's why when he said I went on a 2-month winning streak, that was a complete red flag for me. So yeah. So R is very important. R is very important, but for psychological reasons.
Right? So obviously I have a lot to learn and I have a lot to grow still. And like I said, chat, like the journey never ends, right? Especially in trading, learning.
Because as long as one loss wipes out, your last 8 winning trades, that's gonna fuck you up mentally.
Stops.
In the long run.
Continue learning, right? You're always gonna learn as you go. You're always gonna pick up new things, and you might even pick up old habits every now and then, right? But as long as you have the experience, to continue moving forward, right, and continue to get better. That's just a skill set that you build. And
what is he saying, man? Why is it me? I hate the fact that it's me for this guy. It's me. I have to do this. I was this, me. Only I exist. It was hard for me. Everybody was shouting at me. Oh, no.
You have the experience to continue moving forward, right? And continue to get better. That's just a skill set that you build. And again, I'm only 24. I have a lot to learn in life and
He's only 24, chat. He's only 24, right?
Also in trading. And I take full account.
Dude, my dad was in the military fighting wars at 24. He had 2 kids.
In life. And
but this guy's 24. Stop shouting at him.
Only 24. I have a lot to learn in life and also in trading. And I take full accountability for what happened, obviously, right? But going forward, I only hope to do better.
That was it? What do you mean going forward? No. Going forward, he has not said sorry once. He's not taking real accountability. What does it mean moving forward? He's not explained more in depth what happened that day, why he felt the way he felt, what emotions running through his mind, how many trades he took. It's still super shallow. It's super shallow.
We can't change what's already happened. We have to look to improve and get better. And that's my only goal going forward. The MAM's still being traded every day. I haven't stopped since. It was a tough, like, I'll say month and a half to 2 months after that day too. Like, it was tough until
the fact that, you know how I know this guy's a narcissist? Because the fact that he went ghost for 2 months after that shit happened tells me enough.
Like October.
He put his own feelings before everybody else had lost money. He was like, oh yeah, I don't feel like being shouted at online. I don't feel like taking all this heat that's coming. So you know what? I'm just gonna hide for a bit until I feel good again, and then I can speak. You know?
End of October, I would say.
No, like yeah, you know, the people lost their savings. I think I might have to tell them something. You know? Like, people lost their savings. At least, you know what? Refund. No. At least say a word to them. Be like, hey, sorry, I fucked up. But no, he had to feel good first. He had to deal with his emotions first.
It was a lot. It was like one of the toughest periods in trading for me. But I don't think it's anything that I can't handle. I think it's just adjust, move on, and again, look to get better, right? Like, I've been in situations in trading where, you know, you might have like doubtful moments, you might have like some tough streaks, but it doesn't mean like you got to give up, right? It just means that you got to just face your
Why is he being motivational?
Understand where you went wrong, accept where you went wrong, and just look to improve going forward.
Okay, Don, where did you go wrong? Because you still haven't told us. Except where you went. You still haven't accepted where you went wrong. He says, I have to accept where I went wrong, blah, blah. He still haven't accepted where he went wrong. He briefly covered it very shallowly. He was like, yeah, that day was hard for me. And that's like, I wasn't ready for the changing lot sizes, and I'm only 24. So I wasn't ready for that day. So yeah. But moving on, blah, blah. I'm going to drop a course, by the way.
That's kind of what happened with the MAM chat. Now, this is where the rumors kind of pop up. I think it was by me hopping off socials. And let me explain why I hopped off socials. I hopped off social media in general just because I wanted like a little break away from socials. And I did this before the MAM went to shit. Like, I think my last stream was the 31st, and that's, like, if you watch my stream during that week, I was kind of, like, already in and out of the streams. I wasn't streaming as consistently, and I was kind of, like, saying to you guys, basically, like, I might take a little break soon. Now, I didn't expect to, like, hop off right away, but I was, like, honestly, I'm training the MAM now. I don't really need to be on socials, at least for education purposes, or to educate and provide the education. But I kind of already felt that, like, I gave you guys, for the most part, like, everything that I need to give you guys, right? I kind of give you guys everything, and I kind of did what I did for the industry. And I felt like it was just, you know, you can take a little break now, Don.
Valid. I agree with him. I think Don should have taken a break way before. A long time ago, this guy should have taken a break. But the time to take a break is not after you blow people's money.
And I
That's not the time to take a break.
focus on training the man. But obviously, like me doing so, and then 29 days later, the 29th of August came. That day happened. But yeah, you guys started to assume that like I planned this entire thing out. Like I spent 4 years.
Nobody assumed that. You're alone in your own head.
Bringing people in, and I had this crazy strategy.
Nobody thought you did that for 4 years.
To like manipulate them into thinking that I'm this, I'm that, so that I could just run a man for 1 or 2 months and then dip off. Like, nah. Another rumor was that
Like, nah.
you guys thought that I had a deal. There's some type of deal with me and the broker. There's no deal, chat. There's no deal.
I don't think so either.
What's the deal? I would have took the money and split it between all my moderators because they're really loyal.
Okay.
But
What was that?
because they're really loyal. But nah, like
Wow,
there's no
so
deal,
genuine,
chat,
man.
And I'm not like that. You guys know me.
What was that?
Like, there's no deal, chat, and I'm not like that. You guys know me. The man. Like I don't know how much you guys are throwing out there on socials
Yo,
of.
I would love for like some CIA or like FBI person that knows body language and all that to analyze this video.
The deal.
Because this guy's lying
potentially
through his teeth.
But whatever number that was, the man.
You guys know me. I would never do that.
Long-term or short-term potentially makes more than that. So it's not even worth it for me to take a deal. Why would I take a deal? It's not even good for. It's not. Like it's just a bad thing to do. Like why the fuck would I?
He can't look at the camera for more than
like
2 seconds.
a deal. Why would I take a deal?
Look,
it's not even good for.
looking away, looking at the
like,
camera, looking away,
It's just a
looking
bad
away,
thing to do.
looking
like,
away,
why the fuck would I
looking
take
away.
a deal?
He's
Like,
not making eye
why would
contact
I
for more
spend
than
4 to 5 years on social media.
2 seconds.
Building my brand just to all of a sudden throw it away for a
Still
deal.
like this.
Like, nah.
Looking around.
So it's crazy how those rumors started. Well, I know who started a rumor. But yeah, I'm not gonna. Like that was a rumor, and everyone just believed that that's what happened. And you guys said that like, oh, Don, there's no way you could be taking X amount of trades in a day. Like it was very emotional. Like I had a very emotional day. It was a really off day for me.
Like he's getting into the day.
And
Let's see.
there are people that I talk to, that I work with, and I try to just take as much as I can in, learn from them as much as I can. And again, chat, like at the end of the day, like I'm just trying to give you guys, like everything that I do is for you guys.
So vague.
Right? Like, and take as much as I can work with, and very emotional. Like I had a X amount of trades in a day. Like it was very emotional. Like I had a very emotional day. It was like really.
Yeah,
really
obviously
off
that's
day for me.
what I told everybody from the beginning. It was an emotional day. This was not planned.
And there are people that I talk to, that I work with, and
But that was it? Yeah, so I had a very emotional day. But there are people that I work with. Who the fuck cares?
I try to just take as much as I can in. Like I'm just trying to give you guys, like everything that I do is for you guys, right? Like at the end of the day, I take care of myself last, and I put you guys first.
Oh, this guy. Yeah, he take care of himself last. That's why he had to take a 2-month break, not telling anybody anything about anything. I just went ghost. Yeah, he had no apology.
Like show you guys something that
and no explanation
and just
to his investor.
Break some barriers, you know. Do something that's more than what we ever imagined we could do. But sometimes things don't go as planned, and that's completely okay. And you have to just keep going, you know. And I honestly didn't think that I would come back to socials. When I made that decision to hop out of socials, I didn't think I would come back to socials until like, come back. Like just, maybe even think about coming back on socials, and we'll have back. Been a crazy year. Like one of the craziest year I've had ever. Like I couldn't even script this chat even if I wanted to. Like it was such a crazy year. Like my personal life.
He's trying to make it so like, he's trying to make it like so emotional, like this emotional comeback story. Like he's trying to make like, oh, it's a crazy year for me, and I had a good run, but I fucked up, but now I'm getting back on my feet. And he's like, he's trying. Like, I think it's in a Disney movie or something. Like he's thinking he's the main guy.
Everything. It's just been one crazy year. But
in a superhero film.
I wouldn't say it's a bad year, because I wouldn't have learned anything that I've learned this year if it wasn't for the year. You know, not
so
that I
inspirational.
Want it to happen again, chat, but sometimes things just gotta happen the way it is
so
for you to learn, and that's kind of the year, but. And off in the bang.
Don,
you know?
Don, this didn't happen to you. You did it. All right? Stop acting like the victim. You had full responsibility for this. So take some responsibility and apologize.
At least
I haven't heard him apologize yet.
So I didn't want to carry.
He's just chatting. Nothing's coming out. Like there's no value from this video.
Year.
You can't derive anything. If I lost money from his map and I saw this video, I'd be even more mad. I'd be more mad than the money I lost.
Very soon.
I'd be mad that I believed this guy.
Very soon before the year ends. Hope you guys enjoy it, but yeah, I'm like, let me just finish off in the bang, and next year we'll restructure and replan everything again. It's been some time since the last spoke, and you guys have been wondering probably like what happened or where I've been. Aside from just that, like I've just been chilling for the most part. Like I don't really go on socials as much anymore as I used to. Like now I kind of do because I gotta be tapped in again. But when I wasn't on socials, I had so much time for myself, right, to even think. Because like you guys gotta think about it. Like I streamed for 4 years straight, nonstop every day. So when I stream, like I used to be tired after stream. Like I'll stream and then I'll hop off, and I'll be there like shit. If I do anything, I just want to like take a quick nap or tough for me to like do things outside of my business life. Clear, I have more time to plan things, streaming, to educate, right? As value content, whatever it is that I could give you back, but we'll see how things go. Okay, chat. Yeah, man, it's been a long time, chat. I miss talking to you guys. Of course. I had a post on my it's gonna be just on YouTube on my channel, so it'll be free for everyone to watch. Some of the new stuff, some of the old stuff, but just a quick little course. So and different. See, ain't gonna lie that. And for those who kind of switched up, it's cool. It's all love. I seen it coming. We all seen it coming. It is what.
For y'all who switched up, I seen it coming. We all seen it coming. Again, dude, he's making himself the A side. He's making himself the main guy. He's making himself the good side. Like, oh, y'all switched up, but I seen it coming. I seen it coming, you know. I can't trust y'all, right? No, you dumb fuck. They didn't switch up because of them. They switched up because of you. You would have switched up on you as well if you were in their shoes. So don't come like this is narcissism at its finest, chat. Can't lie. The fact that I used to watch this guy. Sure.
But
yeah.
You know, but I hope nothing but greatness coming your way as well. It's all love.
So genuine, chat. So genuine. You can't let me look at the camera for 5 seconds. So genuine.
And, yeah, chat. I love you guys, bro. It's been a long time, and let's cook. Let's cook for 2025.
Let's cook. Yeah, it's been a good run, chat. But I've learned from my mistakes, and you know, let's cook. You know, I did what I did, and shit happens. But I'm only 24, and I wasn't ready to change lot size. And yeah, but I'm dropping a course, by the way, so y'all can get that if you want. But yeah, I'm not a scammer, I promise. And I do feel sorry, and I will not do it again.
Off the year on a bang. Let's end off this year on a bang. Merry Christmas to everybody. Have a happy New Year. Yeah, chat. I'll see you guys in the next one. That's life.
This is what happens, chat. This is what happens when, first of all, when you have a bunch of yes men around you. First and foremost, he has a very bad team around him. He has a very bad team around him. He has a bunch of yes men. He has a bunch of worshippers. That's what happens. First, they don't call him out on his bullshit. They don't tell him he's got to take responsibility. Nothing like that. They just tell him, "Oh, don't worry, Don. You're so good. You're so good. Keep paying me. You're so good. Good job." Right? That's what happens when you have a low RR. Very low RR to the point where you go on a crazy winning streak, and then you market that winning streak, and then everybody thinks you're a god. All the new traders think you're a god, and they keep on worshipping you in the chat all day, every day. That's what happens when you don't introspect and you don't look into your own mind and see what's going on. This is a result of, for years, constantly reinforcing your beliefs, having people around you that reinforce your beliefs, cutting off anybody that says anything against you. And yeah. So don't be this guy. All right? Don't be this guy. Have some humility, chat. Understand none of us are anything. All right? We're all human. No one is all that. Right? You might have a skill that nobody else has, but doesn't make you perfect. Doesn't mean you can't do wrong. Doesn't mean you're not accountable for your mistakes. But yeah, I think that guy needs some humility. And the fact that I used to watch him and think he was legit makes me also very mad. Because from that video, like, that was the dumbest video you could have dropped. And dumbest shit you could have said. Like, okay, sure, you're a narcissist, but at least be smart about it. You know? At least be smart about it. I don't know who told him it was a good idea, but it's tough being a narcissist and retarded. Like, that's tough. If I was a narcissist, I would have been like, yeah, sorry. I would have made the best apology video of all time. Like, at least do some acting. No surprise, he typically attracts newer traders with his win rate without realizing proper R. Yeah, I mean, Don Vo's fan base are new beginner traders. New beginner traders that think they can make money quickly. That's Don's fan base. No real trader with years of experience follows Don. He's like the entry level to trading. Don is like here, entry level. Oh, look, watch Don's stream, laugh a little bit. Enjoy the streams, learn some basic price action. You know, cut your wins after 10 pips. And then you get to higher levels, and then you realize, oh shit, RR actually does matter. But yeah, that shit was the worst thing I've seen in a while. But yeah, chat, I don't know. I guess, and a lot of y'all probably think, oh, he's dropping a course afterwards. This guy is actually out of his mind, right? Somebody bring him back to earth. But I actually think that's a good idea. I actually think him dropping that shit is a good idea. Because it's free, right? He's dropping it free. If it was paid, if it was a paid course, I'd be like, yo. That'll be like the cherry on top if it was a paid course. If you drop the paid course after that fucking apology video. But he's dropping it for free. So, I mean, he's giving back. He's trying at least to give back. Which, again, I think is a marketing tactic. I think it's a marketing scheme. I don't think it's genuine at all. I think he's just doing it as a sorry. Because he can't say sorry on camera. So I think he's doing that for people to forgive him. But yeah, it's a good tactic for sure. I thank him for starting trading because of him I started. Yeah, I mean, dude, you can go to Hitler and you can derive some good characteristics. All right, that's good in everybody. But you have to look at a person on an overall basis, on a general basis, and look at the net positive and the net negative. And sure, he might have gotten you into trading, but That's pretty much as far as he can do. He can get you. That's what Don is for. Don is for people to get into trading. Bard casually called Hitler good. I didn't say that. That's completely strawmanning my position. I did not say that. Changed a lot, Bard. Bros. Chat, don't be retards, chat. Please. Now you compared Don to Hitler. Alright. Oh my days. Y'all. I did not. I used an example to tell you guys that there is good and bad in everybody. Not even on a friendly Christmas stream. This guy. This guy, man. I hear you, Bart. Thank you. What's next? Did his innocent? Alright, buddy. He is, though. He is. No, Diddy is innocent. Y'all know that. Yo, Rebard is alive. Alright, buddy. Yeah, chat. Trying to, you know, not to sleep with my eyes open watching this price action. So we'll have some fun, man. Yeah, on everybody's soul but mine, it is innocent. Yeah, it was a baby oil bottle. Oh, so it was in me? No, I'm kidding. Hey, well, what's up? How's it going with the challenge account? Minus 2%. Minus 2% from November. I started at a really bad time, but, you know, we move. We move. 2025 will be a better year, for sure. Can you trade baby oil? I don't think so. If somebody finds a way, hit me up. December has been a pretty decent month for me, at least for my personal account. And for the VIP. Yeah, I might have a Christmas sale for the VIP. Somebody told me to do that. I think Paulo told me to do that. So I might have a big Christmas sale. So everybody can get in before 2025 when we start this shit. Yo, no joke, I passed a challenge in 2 weeks and blew it in 2 days. That shit's brutal. That's usually how it goes. That's usually how it goes, you know. Go on a 2-month winning streak, then blow the account. You know, we've seen that before. Pretty recently, actually. Alright, gold rejected off of that 1 hour resistance right there. The 4 hour wants to fill the wick down, but it's constantly reflipping, so I'm not sure. 5 minute did break structure. 5 minute did break structure. It's looking good to start filling the wick on the 4 hour. Again, I don't think we're gonna have a heavy bearish pressure. I do think we're gonna come up a little bit more first. $15 structure still holding up. December price action really sucks. Recommend not to trade. No, it's been good. It's been good. December price action is really good to me. So I have to disagree with that, bro. I can pass chances with my eye closed, but on Fun I blow them up straight away. Watch watch my video. Watch this video. Chad, have y'all watched all my videos, Chad? If y'all haven't, y'all are fake as fuck. I can't lie. Where is it? This.
Feel emotions. It's a part.
Watch this video. So show you. This will tell you exactly why that's happening. Damn, my hair used to be really good back here. Yeah, the barber that I had back here, he's in jail right now. So I don't really know what to do from now. That's why my hair is the way it is. Gotta get a new barber, man. Why do all barbers go to jail? You can watch this as well. It's also very important. This is a follow-up video to the previous video.
Long and tedious
Shit, I was hella brown here, chat. Holy shit. No, I was too busy watching Don. That's a waste of your time. Merry Christmas, brother. I'm gonna cook. Alright, bro. Merry Christmas to you, man. For the way I trade, it's been 2 L's, 3 loss. 2 L's, 3 W's, and the rest is no trade, so it's not the best. For me, it's great. Do you have a video on the no wick play? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Chad, just watch all of my videos, Chad. You'll be literally profitable within a week. Okay, maybe not within a week, but within a month, you'll be profitable.
trading mentors, and I think it's almost necessary. 15.
Alright, this was... Watch this one. Where is it? This one first, the hidden constants backed by data. You need to know this. This is very important. Very important. And then you can watch this. This is where I explain the no wick play.
Breakout, we want the count.
No wick play, and then I have a video where I explain the compensation play, which is right here. Nope, that's not the right one. It's right here, which is my most watched video, actually.
Explanation video. I know you boys have been waiting for this for so
long. Why was I so white?
Between the...
But yeah. Chat, I have so much shit for free, chat. Bro, what? What do you mean, what? Oh, my barber? Yeah, I don't know. He went to jail, bro. Like, I went to cut my hair, and it was closed. And I was like, I asked one that also cuts his hair there. I was like, yo, what happened to fucking my guy? He's like, yeah, that guy's in jail, bro. So I'm thinking of committing like a felony so I can be in jail for like, you know, like a few weeks. Get my haircut, get out, and be fresh. Because honestly, I don't trust anybody with scissors around my head anymore. 5 minute break of structure. Yep. 5 minute did break structure. Structure. Not structure. Structure. Ooh, 50 minutes also broke structure now. Yeah, the 4 hour is basically just filling the wick down. That's what's happening right now. When Neo. Damn, we didn't come up though. We did not come up the way I wanted it to come up. It's unfortunate. I was expecting us to come up a little higher because we did have this imbalance on the 30 minute that just got created. So I was expecting us to come a little higher and tap deeper into this area, but I think this area was enough, or it seemed to have been enough. It's a very strong area now that I think about it, the 2619. But again, we'll see if we see a trend continuation or if we just see a wick fill on the 4 hour. Because that's the thing, Chad. That's the thing with wick fills. Like, you don't know if the wick fill is a continuation of the trend, or if it's just literally... It almost filled the whole wick here, chat. Let's see. Yeah, it almost filled the whole wick here. So we'll see if it rejects or keeps going down. Because again, what I was going to say is, you don't know, when it comes to a wick fill, you don't know if a wick fill is literally just that, right? A wick fill, and then you're gonna pull back afterwards, or if it's a continuation and you're just gonna keep pushing down. Oh, potential comp play on the ADUSD here, chat. UJ nothing. GU could. Oh, I don't like the imbalance above, but we'll see if we can get this ADUSD trade. If we break below here, it's going to be probably waterfall down. Should break below the previous wick, the 4 wick. How big was that wick fill? 35 pips. Is the market tomorrow's Christmas? Is the market closed tomorrow? It's still open. I think it's very low volume, right? No, it's not open. Isn't Christmas tomorrow? Aren't people opening presents tomorrow, chat? Or am I tripping? Oh, Wednesday. Oh. Isn't Christmas 24th? What date is Christmas? 25th. Oh, never mind. Yeah, it's okay. Tomorrow's Christmas Eve. Oh, okay. I don't celebrate Christmas. I don't know. Chat. Bro, what is this? I searched Christmas. I searched when is Christmas on Google and this came up. Weird. You see, chat? This is the thing. We, again, don't know if it's a wick fill. Apparently, it could be just a wick fill. This is the thing with the 4-hour wicks. They need to get filled. So don't be so sure. Any setup, bro? We're looking for buys above 26.19. That's pretty much it. Looking for buys above 26.19. And then sells up at around 26.23. Oh shit, 30 about to flip here, chat. Damn. Damn, 30. Oh, that 5 minute looks real good to flip down. Damn. Yeah, that's the 5 wick fill. Daily's looking really bearish, chat. Again, like I said, I was expecting us to come up and tap deeper before coming down all the way, but it seems like that does not want to be the case. Guess you do have some zones here. Yeah, you do actually have that zone on the 15 right there that you're rejecting off of. Yeah, right there. This is a pretty hefty rejection area. Let's see the 30. What time do you usually stop trading, Bard? Never. I trade whenever I have time. So literally, like I stream obviously from like 8 a.m. to 10, 11. And then after that, I just literally go about my day, record what needs to be recorded, script, do some other stuff, answer emails, you know, business stuff. And then while I'm doing that, I just look at the charts. That's the good thing about having a playbook, is that you can trade 24/7, because again, you don't need to spend much time in the charts. I open my trading view on my phone. I'm like 5 seconds. Do I have a play? No. Okay, never mind. Do I have a play? Yes. Take it. Make money. Like I can take a trade in the gym. I've taken trades while on a meeting. I've taken trades on trains. I've taken trades on a bot. Like I've taken trades everywhere, chat. So I never stop trading, because we need to have a playbook. That's not a thing. You can always take the plays. Oh, the 30 is about to flip, chat. Goddamn. Bro, I'll start making content 2025. Good shit, man. I'm rooting for you, bro. I'm rooting for you. Just, you know, I tell this to everybody that wants to make content. You have to be different. You have to be different. You have to be special in some way. All right? Because, chat, there's so many people making content. So many people making content. So, you have to be very, 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 very special. And very consistent as well. Unfortunately, content isn't for everybody. But I'm going to start an OF next year. Collab with me. Depends on how much you pay me. Pretty good at talking, editing. Alright then. Are you going to show your face? You 100%? Alright then, go for it, man. If you feel like you're good at talking and good at entertaining and good at making content, editing, all that, go for it. Remember, it's an uphill battle, just so you know. Yeah, content is nice, chat. Content is fun. Alright, the 15 flipped on ADUSD, so no comp right now. Gold had that tap into 2013, rejected hard. Again, do expect something like this to happen. Right? Retesting that zone like he's done here plenty of times. Especially now since we get a bearish 30-minute closure, bearish 1 hour closure. Since we get a bearish 1 hour closure, I do think you're gonna come down, fill the wick, and then come back up. Yeah, I used to make videos back in 2018. Like, this account is my second account, and I got 2K subs here. Had about 32K. Damn, what did you do? Trading videos? No way price is gonna stop me at BE and continue down, right? Bro, I'm sorry, but in this range that you're trading right now, there's a lot of consolidation. So try to secure profits. I don't know why you didn't secure profits here. Did you take a sell? If you took a sell, you should have secured profits here. Because the thing is with this range is that you see a lot of wicks. Look at how wicky price action is. So wherever you take a trade, just know that price is going to retest your entry again. Now gaming and vlogs and shit, it was trendy like back then. Oh, why didn't you keep going? So you're 2 TPs already, so I'm safe. All right. Then I guess you have nothing to worry about. Money made, especially on a day like this. Making money is really, really, really rare. About to check signal chat. This scenario has been happening a lot. What could you possibly be talking about? Bro, clean your camera, bro. God damn. Which scenario? Which scenario? Like the comp that didn't get tapped? Oh, yeah. I know. I've seen that too. Usually on not gold but on Forex pairs it happens a lot. Where you don't tap the comp. You just come very close but you just don't tap it and then you reject afterwards. Yeah, it's happening a lot. I've seen it too. Alright, that's a 1 hour open, chat. 1 hour just opened. Respected the previous candle closure. No, the previous candle open. Gonna fill the wick, obviously. Like I said, I did believe you're gonna come down, retest this area, and then come up again. Because I don't think price has enough. I think today is one of those days. Where price does not have enough volume to push in a single direction. It just doesn't. Like today is one of those days where price just will consolidate. Which means that I don't believe you're going to push all the way down. Like I don't think you have enough volume. It does not make sense. If there's any direction you'll push is obviously bearish. Like if there's any direction you will push is fill this range right here. But I don't think you're going to do that. I think you're going to just continue to kind of consolidate. If it's a comp that closes almost flipping, you can take the buy or sell directly. Oh, yeah, it makes sense because then you're basically just tapping the comp, yeah. You're very close. So even if you tap the comp afterwards, you'll get a slightly worse entry, but that doesn't really affect. That's not a... Like the consequence of not taking the trade is worse than the consequence of taking it, because the consequence of taking the comp right there would be that you get a worse entry, and the consequence of not taking it is that you would lose out on money. on a position. So yeah, it definitely makes sense. Yeah, look at that, chat. What happened? Exactly as prophesied. Oh, pushing down in chat. Orange folder bearish for dollar. The dollar does not look bearish, my guy. Dollar does not look bearish. All right, we're gonna break through this resist support here. I don't think so. Again, I don't think you're gonna break through it. If you do, there'll be a waterfall down. It's almost created kind of a dam effect, chat. All right, broke the previous low at least. Still haven't broken the 4-hour lows. Oh, that's the 4-hour lows getting broken. All right, should see a waterfall now. If you can close below on the 15 or 30, that'd be amazing. That'd be amazing for a sell. Could take a beautiful sell if you close below. Want to take sells then? Because you can't just take sell break off the lows. Because again, you don't know if it hasn't closed. Meaning you don't know if this could easily be a liquidity grab. Could easily be a wick lick. So again, we have to wait for closures. If we get a closure, we'll take the sell down to 2606. Which I don't think we'll get. Was that was a lows. That was London lows. Took out London lows. That 2606 area is looking real good for buys, honestly. Hello, man. 2606 area. If you look at the daily, they're having some nice rejections off of this area. So it's like almost a decision area, you could call it. To be honest, I think we're going all the way to 2576, but in some time, yeah, of course, yeah. Like it's gonna take a lot. Like today, you're probably not gonna happen today or this week, but we'll see. We'll see what happens. DXY is super bullish. Again, it's the holidays chat, so this was what I was expecting. Like I said, if there's one direction we're gonna break towards, it's bearish, because the U.S. economy is very stimulated at the moment. A lot of purchase happening, a lot of money going around. It's Christmas. Everybody's happy. Everybody's happy. Everybody thinks they're millionaires. Everybody's spending money that they don't have. Typical. Same thing with Black Friday. Buy from 2627 area, 0607 area. Yep, I have the same area for buys. Holy shit, gold or DXY, I mean. Again, you know what this is telling me, chat? If you watch my latest video, what is this saying, chat? If you watch my last video, it's saying that gold is quite strong. Contrary to popular belief, right now, gold is very strong. Why is gold very strong? Because look at DXY. DXY is pushing heavy, but gold isn't really dumping that much. Like it's, you know, it's kind of slow. While the DXY is having historical pushes. So yeah, just look at the AUD/USD for example. AUD/USD is dumping like crazy. DXY is not, or gold is not. What indicators you use? X Ghost wickless candles. That's the only indicator I use. All right, see you, Bard. Gotta get some stuff done. Have a good day, Christmas and New Year's. If we don't talk before, love. All right, Reese. Have a good Christmas, man. And then time to lock in for 2025, Chad. Yo, I'm so excited for a new year, Chad. Y'all don't even know. Like, I'm so excited for a normal month. Aren't you guys? Like, aren't you guys excited for a normal, like, just normal life, normal month? Any trades today? No. You know, I'm so tired of this November weird price action, then holidays, then like shit like this. I just want normal months, normal days, normal price action. Can't wait, chat. You know, like January, February, March, April, like those months, so good. From Sweden? Yeah, I'm from Sweden. I'll miss the drama. It's like a toxic relationship. No. Nah, I'm not gonna miss this gold at all. I'm not gonna miss this gold. I'm gonna leave this gold with a content heart. I'm not gonna miss gold. This gold. No. October we had a bunch of all-time highs. November we had election and then Christmas, December. Exactly. Like we haven't had a normal month. It's so long. How long have you been trading? 4 years, 4.5 years. I mean, it might sound crazy, but I made a shit load of money on gold this month. Like best month 2024. It wasn't my best. Like November was my worst month in 2 years that I had. Then December until now has been pretty good. Not a lot of trades taken, but I've had a good win rate and I made good money. Have you got any skiing snowboard plans? Of course. Skiing, not snowboarding. But yeah, of course. I'm going to northern Sweden to ski. I have a skiing slope 5 minutes from my house. I have a big ass skiing slope, which I literally use every day. Gold moves are too good to trade, only patience is needed. Yep. Need to wait for the tap your levels. Need to wait for tap your levels to follow your strategy. That's all there is to it. That 15 is gonna flip. Most likely. How'd you learn trading? I watch live streamers. I watch YouTube videos. I study the charts myself. Yeah. Uncle Ted. I watched Uncle Ted's webinars. Old webinars. A bunch of ways, man. In December, I have a 100% win rate. That's crazy. I had that last year as well. I don't know what my win rate is. In December, but it's pretty high. Yeah, it's pretty high. I've had a good December. What do you mean pretty high? That's the highest you can get? No, I don't have a 100% win rate on December. Not this month. Last year I had a 100% win rate on December. This year I don't know what it is, but December is historically a pretty good month for me. But I haven't been trading as much because I've been more busy this December. Last December all I did was trade. All I did was trade. All I did. I think I traded New Year's Day. Like I think I've traded every single day during December. Every day I could. You only trade gold? No, I trade gold, GPUs. I trade gold, GBP USD, AUD USD, and USD JPY. So these pairs right here. Ever consider a higher time in swing trading strategy, Bard? No. I don't like swing trading. I don't like being in trades for too long. I think it messes with my mind. I can't focus during the day. I always have to look at the charts. So no, it's not my thing. Hey, so check this out, Bardo. I reviewed Funded Next, and according to 90% of reviews and other traders I know, it seems legit. So I bought a 5K with them. Let's see what's up. I think they're legit. Like, I think, chat, this is what I think. I think 80% of prop firms are legit when it comes to small money. So I think basically you could trade it with 5, 10K, even 25K on every single prop firm and get a payout. Like, they will pay you out $400. They'll pay you out $500. They'll pay out maybe even up to 1K. Like, they'll pay out those kinds of money. But when you have 100K and you want to get a 10K payout, well, let's say you have a 200K, you want to start requesting 20K payouts. That's when the problem arises. But for lower, like for a 5K, dude, you're safe with any prop firm, bro. Trust me. No prop firm is gonna deny you a $500 payout. No prop firm. So yeah, the problem is if you start playing, like buying a 200K, that's when you want to start really looking into it. But buying a 5K, you could buy a 5K with any prop firm and they'll pay out. You start violating rules, and when the number grows, yeah, exactly. Like, you start violating rules you didn't even know existed. I'm the complete opposite. Like, I throw the thing and let it cook. Yeah, I can't do that. I have to always check it. Still interested in selling and sells to fill the range? Yeah, if you close below on the higher time frames, meaning like the 30 or the 1 hour. Do you ever pass a funded account? Yeah, when I was trading funded accounts. 2 years ago? Yeah, it was a while ago. It was a while ago since I passed my funded account. I've been trading live for some time now. Makes sense? Yeah, that's usually what it is. I'm gonna use the restroom. I'll be back in 1 sec. Alright, price action is actually mad slow right now. Holy shit. Breakout retest on the 5. What's simple price action, chat? It's just price is literally making breakout retests. It's breaking the. That is very simple price action, chat. Very, very simple price action here. Like when yeah, damn. Copy trading low key might be the strat because if they won't mind paying you out from a 25k fund, what if you have 20k? Yeah, that's why people do it. That's exactly why people do it. You spread out your risk. Yeah, price action right now is really simple, chat. You're seeing breakout, you're seeing range fills, you're seeing retests. Looking to buy from 26 though, chat. We're looking for some nice buys from 26. How's your live account going? Pretty well. December's been a good month for me. December's been a pretty good month for me. Better than much better than November. Much better than November. November kind of fucked me in the ass. But yeah, December has been a good month for me. We're gonna get a no wick 30 up to 26.13. If we do, that'd be fucking sweet. If we do, that would be fucking amazing. And I'll take that trade all day, every day. But unfortunately, I don't think we're that lucky today. Oh, let's see your chat. So we can get a big top wick to around 26.13 and we can enter this position right here. That'll be a breakout retest. If we have this, again, micro wick, if we flip, then we'll look for buys instead. All right, boys, be right here. Are you done trading that funded account? Nope. Still there. Look for buys from 26. Yes, that is exactly what I plan to do. Not now. I was gonna look for sells if we didn't have a bottom wick on this 30 candle, but now since we have a bottom wick, would you change completely over to C trader? Probably not. Probably not. I don't know. I still have MetaTrader on my live account. I still like MetaTrader on the phone. I just think C-Trader is much better on the PC. Hey Bard, have you seen those 20 pip challenges? Why don't we do one of those, see how far we can get? Or what's your thought on those? Start off with 20, 30 bucks, see how far we can get. No, I don't like that idea. I don't like that idea, man. I don't like flipping accounts. I like having a strict strategy, strict discipline, and just staying on track. Oh, 5 breaking structure. Maybe it close back above. The 30 is not, or the outlet has not closed below yet. Chat, by the way. Just a bummer that we didn't tap that 2607 area. I want to see how the 5 minutes closes here. I miss sells. Yeah, that's not a bad idea. I'd wait for the 1 hour closure though, but sells is not a bad idea. I'll also wait for this 5. Let's see how this 5 closes. Will it pull back last second to close respecting, or will it close above? 1-to-1. Yeah, but where are your stops though? Because you say 1-to-1, but there are no logical stops except above 2619. So that's a pretty big stop loss. Like the only acceptable stop loss is up here. down here, like even on the 5, like you literally have no structure until up here. Like you have nothing here. This is your last point. 5 broke structure. See if I can create a head and shoulders, reverse head and shoulders. See if we can respect this previous lower low. Seems like he wants to create an inverted head and shoulders here. On the 5. So I wouldn't be surprised if we could start coming up here very soon. Because again, this imbalance is not looking too pretty. I'm so bad at that scalping thing. Depends on what you see as scalping. I see 20, 30, 40, 50 pip moves as scalp trades. You know? I see my trading style as scalping. I consider myself a scalp trader. Right? And I usually catch around 40, 50 pips. Sometimes even more. It's like, dude, it's all definition. There's now an inverse head and shoulders here on the 5. Let's see how that plays out. New 15 also opened. There's a GP CAD comp. I don't trade GP CAD, so if it is a potential comp, unfortunately, I'm not going to be a part of that comp. No, I don't trade GP CAD anymore. Only these pairs right here. You know, I'm trying to decrease the number of pairs, increase the accuracy of them instead. So not a lot of pairs, but good pairs. Quality over quantity. Of course. Find big moves before they happen. I'm gonna show you the secret. See chat, price mass low. I might end stream chat. I might end stream soon. I just want to see how this hourly closes. I just want to, I just want to stream and come and say hi to y'all. This wasn't really meant to be like a stream where we grab positions and make money. This was just, it kind of just to show you guys that I have not died. Like, no, I'm still alive and well. It's just that, yeah, this price, it's very slow price action, so it's hard to trade. It's hard to trade. But I will wait for this hourly closure in 11 minutes. If we get something off of that, we'll take that trade. If not, we'll go. We'll call it a day. We'll call it a day. Honestly, that's what I'm saying. Are we gonna run London VIP zooms after the new year? Yes, sir. Yes, we are. Feel like Asian session? Damn, yeah, it does, bro. It fucking does. It's really slow, man. Boys, isn't it crazy? I've been fasting for 7 days now. What? Really? Like fasted, like no food at all? Or like, you mean you're fasted every day for the last 7 days? Because that's crazy. Yeah, no food at all, so much benefits. I'll need to bulk after though. Yo, bulking is low-key gay, man. I could never bulk. Why not just, you know, eat a lot of protein, but don't obsess over calories, and you're done. No need to bulk. Not in my opinion. You know, in my humble opinion, I think bulking is unnecessary. I think you can just eat a lot of protein and then eat your maintenance level calories and you're done. All your bodies need is protein. Your muscles, at least. So I just focus on eating a lot of protein per day, and then my maintenance calories, however much that is, 2.5k or whatever it is. I think it's 2.5k for me, or 2.6, 2.7. Do you record how much protein you eat? I don't record it, no, but I know, like I used to record that shit a lot, so now I have an intuition for how much protein each thing has. You know, so now I know, like, you know, how much a pound of ground beef has. 0.5 kg, like 500 grams of ground beef. How much protein it has. I know how much 2 chicken breasts have. I know how much 500 grams of Greek yogurt has. Like, I know a lot. I know how much a lot of things have. Right, so now I just kind of, you know, eye it. And it's working. Yeah, I eat ground beef every day, chat. I'm currently bulking, went from 74 kg to 82 kg. I just don't like feeling fat. The thing is, listen, chat. The thing about bulking is I don't like feeling fat. Like, I don't like that. I don't like feeling fat. I like feeling light quick. I like feeling light. I like feeling quick. I like feeling energetic. I like being lean. So I don't think I could ever bulk, honestly. It'd just be too much of a struggle for me. A functional build is way healthier. Yeah. Like, right now, my body is built for football. Right now, my body is built for football and boxing. So I have a little bit of muscle. I'm very, very lean. I have strong legs. But I'm quick. I'm reactive. I'm agile. And that's what I like. That's what I want to be. I don't want to be like, big and strong, but like slow and bulky. How much can you squat or leg press? I have never squatted or leg pressed in my life. That's good, but you just achieve it faster. Yeah. I guess bulking, like, the thing is, if you want to go through that phase of being fat, go, sure. I just don't ever want to go through that phase. You know, chat, the bitches won't love me anymore, chat. Nah, but leg press, I don't know. My bench press max is 225, I think. 105 kg. 105 kg in pounds. 231 is my max bench press. And I weigh, how much do I weigh? I weigh 75 kg, so I'm 165 pounds. I'm 165 pounds. And literally, I think my body percentage, fat percentage is like 11, 12. I don't really see a point in bulking for football players unless it's really short term. No, exactly. No. Obviously, if you're not a football player, if you don't practice any sports and you just want to get big, bulking is a really good idea. But for me, if I bulk, man, I'm gonna be so slow. I'm gonna lose my cardio. No, it doesn't work. What's your height? 185 centimeters. 6'1". Not gonna lie, I'm at the gym right now. That's crazy. That's crazy. Bro's locked in on trading, even at the gym. Bro, bulking is like buying signals. You just get to be a signal copy trader until you become a trader. It's a good way of putting it, yeah. Just, some people get stuck in the signal copying. Like, I've seen people bulk and then they they're just always fat. Like, I have a friend. No, chat. I have a friend. He was like, all right. He's like, Bard, the bulk is going to be crazy. That guy bulked and now he never went back. Like, he just became fat. That guy's in a permanent bulk now. Because that can happen. Like, you can become lazy. And then shit. And then you don't want to... It's hard to start dieting and shit like that. That guy is just fat now. Like, he's not... He went from bulking and now he's just, chronically fat. So that's scary. That's scary. I feel like if I bulk and I become fat, I'm gonna be like, you know what? Fuck this shit. Like, what if you just give up halfway through it? You're like, fuck this shit. What if you just stop training? And now you're like fat. Like, it's like almost creating a uphill battle for yourself. Like, I'm lean now. If I bulk, I'm gonna become fat, and then I have to become lean again, with a little bit more muscle. Bro, eating is good. Not gonna lie, I devour 3,000 calories while sitting. Damn. Yeah, I cannot do that. No, I cannot do that. I eat a lot though. I eat a lot, but I cannot do that much. No. I don't even know. Not the Swedish huzz. Of course, man. What do you? Swedish huzz is the best huzz, chat. Swedish huzz is the best huzz. Y'all don't know. Y'all don't know. Yeah, for a family, that's crazy. All right, chat. The 1 hour opened isn't really giving us anything, but I'm gonna leave y'all here. Just wanted to, wasn't really meant to take a trade today. Just wanted to come on here and tell you guys that I'm still alive and still thriving. Just taking a short, not break, but being less active during the Christmas and holidays. But yeah, boys, I appreciate you guys watching. Thank you for being here. I'll get going, and I'll probably stream. Maybe I'll stream between. I'll see. Maybe I'll stream between Christmas and New Year's. Unlikely though. If not, I'll see you guys after New Year's for a brand new year of QTC 2025. I have so much shit planned, chat. Like, you guys are gonna go fucking crazy. So yeah, 2025 is our year. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year's to everybody. And yeah, boys, love y'all, appreciate y'all, and I'll see you next stream. All right, peace out, everybody.